Welcome back friends to our YouTube channel Cracksoft. Today I will show you how to download and install UltraISO software. If you are new to this channel then do subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon. First of all, download the file from the link given in the description. Now extract the file here, open the folder and run the installer. Click on I accept and click on next. I don't want here. If you want then you can click there. Now click on install. Now click on finish. Now here click on enter registration code and open the notepad file and copy the registration ID and password from here and click on OK. Now run the software. As we have cracked this software and you can use this software for writing the DVDs, CDs. If you find this information helpful then do like the video, share the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.